Hello everybody and welcome in today's video. Right now we can see that Bitcoin is still getting supported from this uptrending support zone or support line from this ascending triangle we have been talking about. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to make it more clear what I think, which direction Bitcoin is going to break out, what we can expect in the short term time frame, how is Bitcoin looking on a weekly time frame, what are the funding rates telling us, and what is the sentiment right now telling us. So I'm going to, in this video, prepare you guys for the price action that might happen over the next coming days and weeks. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump into Bitcoin. Before we are jumping into Bitcoin, guys, I really want to ask every single one of you, if you are new right here to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below. If you already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit the bell icon and set all the notifications on, because in the coming weeks, I might not be able to upload every single day a video, and if you don't put that bell notification on, you most likely won't get any notification whenever I upload a new video. So that is very important. Also, if you want to be up to date from all the developments with TA signals that are coming up, or maybe Whale Portal dashboard that we are working on right now, make sure to follow me over on Twitter. I will leave the link to the Twitter account of myself, where I'm posting TA and other signals and so on, especially when I don't have time to create these videos. But also follow the Whale Portal Twitter, which is already providing you with automatic signals about the funding rates and the sentiment, which can help you in your trading. That is very important. Right now, I'm in an exciting time. Bitcoin a little bit less, but I'm in an exciting time. I might relocate very soon, might go back to Europe. So yeah, I need some time to prepare right here as well. So that is just something I wanted to share with you guys. The plans are not that solid that I want to make the straight announcement right here. Sometimes when you are planning something and you already announce it, it can work against you. So that's why I just want to keep it a little bit on the low. But then you guys know that I'm working on might relocate in the near future, and I will keep you guys updated about that as well. So right now, guys, let's jump into Bitcoin. And yeah, what we are seeing with Bitcoin, guys, is structure-wise, we're still in the same structure. We're still trading within this ascending triangle formation. We got a uptrending support. We got a horizontal resistance, which essentially is a bullish pattern. However, we entered that pattern from a downtrend. So the chances to break out to the upside or downside are, if we just look at the technical structure, 50-50. But if we look at other signals like the funding rates or like the sentiment, then we can see that the sentiment over the past coming period has been very negative. The funding rates has been negative for a longer amount of time. Most of the time, almost in every case, the price eventually tends to trend up whenever we are seeing those signals. So like I said in my previous videos, guys, I'm sticking to this I'm sticking to that opinion view of the market, that I do think that Bitcoin will trend up right here. But I'm going to give you a warning as well. Like I've said in my previous videos, in the shorter term time frame, Bitcoin right now doesn't have a clear direction, and what we could be seeing, this is one of the examples that we could be seeing, is one last liquidity tap, one last fake out before Bitcoin is going to trend up. So guys, in today's video, I will explain to you, I will show you 3 simple basic scenarios what I think could happen with Bitcoin, and also which scenarios I think are the most probable. And yeah, you can then either prepare for those scenarios whenever they are playing out, right? So from the 3 scenarios, 2 are actually bullish, 1 is bearish, and I'm just talking with these scenarios about the next coming months. So I'm not talking about we are going to surpass the previous all-time highs. Although that is possible with these bullish scenarios, I'm just saying that for these 2 bullish scenarios to trend up is either a big bounce which can reach some key levels, but that's not yet a certainty that we are going to surpass those previous all-time high, although it's definitely possible. All right, first bullish scenario. What is that? Okay, we just finished a 50% correction. Right now we're consolidating. We have a bullish formation, uptrending support, horizontal resistance. Eventually, we will continue in this formation and eventually see a breakout. Once we are seeing that breakout, the momentum will slowly pick up. When Bitcoin get a weekly close above the 21 weekly EMA, trust, confidence will enter the markets. We will see liquidity going into altcoins as well. That would be the first most simple bullish scenario. The second scenario, guys, the bullish scenario is going to be that Bitcoin is going to chop around a little bit right here, maybe not completing this formation, this triangle formation, but that we have to look at it from this kind of perspective, like a box, a zone, a huge zone where the bottom is at, let's say, roughly 34,000 and the top at approximately 45,000. So that is a box of over 10,000 US dollars, right? What we could be seeing and what we're often seeing with Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is trapping a lot of investors. So right now we can see that there are a lot of shorts right here being stacked up. The majority is being short. What could happen is that we are doing something like this where the price eventually is going to dip into liquidity, maybe sweep the low slightly right here, and from there see a kind of V-shaped recovery and trend up. If we see that, it will be quite clear on the daily that we have seen that bottom. So if we do see a fake out to the downside, and we definitely the next day or the day after we trade back up, then it's quite clearly a fake out, and then most likely we are seeing that scenario playing out, which is still bullish. A liquidity tap is still bullish. The bearish scenario, though, that would be the following: if we really were to see a decisive break below this green zone right here. This green zone right here, starting at this wick roughly at let's say roughly 34,000 US dollars, ending at 36,000 US dollars. It is a big zone, but once this zone is acting as resistance and we are getting sold after losing this zone, then that would be definitely bearish, and Bitcoin could drop to way lower levels if that is the case. Do I think that is the likeliest scenario right now? No, definitely not. Main reasons for that are that the funding rate's already negative for such a long amount of time. The sentiment is super negative, also for a longer extended amount of time, guys. So that is something important to note. How can we know if this is actually going to happen? Well, I'm going to give you a signal for that. For that, we can use the relative strength index right here. We got a kind of triangle formation right here. Of course, when we lose the uptrend in the support in the relative strength index right here, that would definitely mean that we are going to see some bearish momentum in Bitcoin. This would unlock a lot of bearish momentum. But guys, do take in mind that can also be still the liquidity tap if we were to see that, right? So to have a confirmed bearish scenario, we need to get rejected at this green zone to really get confirmed that Bitcoin is going to see lower levels. But one of the first signals you want to see is that break of that uptrend in the relative strength index. Of course, a breakout of the resistance right here to the upside would tell us that most likely Bitcoin is going to see a breakout to the upside right here. So that is nice on the relative strength index. That is an extra signal, extra confirmation that we can use. Then, guys, I want to bring you to the weekly time frame. And let's check what we can see over there. Well, first of all, I want to bring out a support zone, a long-term support line, to be honest. Right here we got a bottom at 2018, we got the bottom at 2020 March, we got a bottom right here at January this year approximately. We can draw a trend line right here connecting these bottoms, and as you can see, so far Bitcoin has most of the time see a nice bounce off these bottoms. Right now, so far, we're also bouncing off yet. We are not yet seeing the relative strength index really spiking right here, but we do see a potential bounce, which is bullish. Also, when we have a look at Orion's belt, guys, we get a buy signal on the weekly time frame. That is something we haven't seen that often before. We get one right here, and as you can see, we get a nice pump. That was quite a pump in the Bitcoin price. Let me check that for you in percentage-wise. From the bottom till the top, that was a pump of slightly below 50%. So that is quite a heavy pump. If we would have that from the lows right here, that would bring Bitcoin at approximately slightly below 50,000 US dollars. So that would be still a significant move, right? We do get the buy signal. However, the buy signal that we are seeing right here is definitely different, because that is comparable with data way older than what we are seeing right now. Plus, right now, guys, we got a hidden bullish divergence over on the relative strength index. We have a lower low so far right here, touching that support. But in the price, we still got a higher low. Hidden bullish divergence, when did we had that as well? If we have a look, for example, at this formation, also right here, we have a lower low in the relative strength index, higher low in the price. Eventually, Bitcoin is looking quite bullish. So that is also a bullish sign. All of these signs can go in the baskets that Bitcoin right now is actually rather looking more bullish than bearish in a longer term time frame. Right here on the weekly time frame, similar with the funding rates, right? Negative funding rates for a longer period of time. These are not direct signals. These are not signals predicting we're going to see a pump today. These are signals showing us with more confidence that the price will tend to trend up from here. And what it's going to do when it's trending up, whether that is going to be a retracement or can result in the next uptrend, that is going to be the next chapter, of course, of our analysis, and I will not go over that today. I will do that into another video. If you don't want to miss out on that, guys, make sure to scroll below this video, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Very, very important. If you enjoyed this video, of course, leave that thumbs up. If you want to learn more about trading cryptocurrency, but especially more about how you can create your own profitable cryptocurrency trading strategy which fits your needs as a trader, then I've created a cryptocurrency trading course, a complete trading course, which is teaching you everything on how to read these markets, but especially there's one chapter dedicated to you, to how you can create a profitable trading strategy, and specifically with your needs as a trader. So some traders, they might have a full-time job and they were looking for swing trades, longer term trades, because they can basically not be in front of the charts 24/7. Why? But there might be traders who want to trade on a daily basis, and for all of these type of trading strategies, I'm teaching you in my cryptocurrency trading course exactly how you can create your own profitable cryptocurrency trading strategy, what kind of checklist you need to confirm in order to enter a trade, how to enter a trade, what your mentality should be. For the ones that are interested, there's also a extra chapter with alternative analysis where we're going into time cycles and so on. Very interesting, a lot of in-depth material. If you want to take the next step into your trading journey, then you can consider enrolling for the cryptocurrency trading course. Right now, you still have a discount of $150 US with the link down below this video, which will bring you to my website, and there's a code down below which you can fill in at the checkout, which will give you a $150 US discount. So guys, if you are interested in that, you can find those links all down below. And yeah, guys, again, make sure to follow me over on Twitter, because I might not be able to upload every single day right now on YouTube. That will definitely impact the way the algorithm works towards you, because if I'm not uploading on a daily time frame, the momentum of YouTube is slowing down as well. So if you are not subscribed with the bell icon, most likely you won't get any notification whenever I upload a new video. I get a lot of messages from a lot of subscribers lately also telling me that they are not getting that notification whenever they are whenever I upload that new video. So therefore I think it is really important to set that notification bar on. And in today's video I also prepare you guys for these potential scenarios what I think is going to potentially happen with Bitcoin. Then guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis. If so, make sure to scroll below this video, smash up that like button. Let's make sure that all of our subscribers of the blockchain today is going to see this video. If you liked and you want to do something more, you can share this video on your social media. You can leave a comment down below. Of course, it's not necessary, but if you want to help out, these are free ways where you can do help out the channel. That is very much appreciated, guys. Much of love to you. I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.